Hi friends, welcome to Sita's Biology and Creativity. Today our topic is how to boost our immune system. In the present situation, we have to boost our immunity, right? Many of the people are trying to boost the immune system in our bodies, but we don't know how to boost our immune system in the natural way. What are the foods we have to take for boosting our immune system? So in this video, I am going to share you the different foods which are going to boost our immune system and what are the roles played by them in our body to fight or to boost our immune system. Let's watch the video. The first immune boosting foods are the citrus fruits. If for example, if any person is affected with any flu infection or any cold, then he will directly look at to the vitamin C rich foods. Why he is going to look at to the vitamin C rich food means the vitamin C is going to increase or boost the white blood cells in our body. The white blood cells are going to fight against the foreign particles which are entered into our body. That is the main role played by the vitamin C in our body. That's the main reason to prefer the citrus fruits by the people to boost our immune system. Let's see what are the fruits come under the citrus category. The grapefruits, oranges, clementities and the tangerines, lemon, limes. These are all the fruits are rich with the citrus that are nothing but the vitamin C rich fruits. Many people will tell that it's very important to take the citrus in our daily diet and it is going to helps us to boost our immunity, but we don't know what is the exact amount of daily intake of the citrus. Let's see what is the exact amount in the adults. In the women, for about 75 grams of the citrus have to be intaken, and in the men about 90 milligrams have to be taken daily. If we follow this normal range in our regular diet, then it helps us to boost our immune system in our body. The next immune boosting foods are the red bell peppers. Actually, we all think that the vitamin C is more in the citrus fruits only comparable to the other fruits or vegetables. But the wands vitamin C is more present, 3 times more present in these red bell peppers as fluoride orange. And these red bell peppers are also rich with the beta carotene also. Besides boosting our immune system, because this is rich with vitamin C, right? Because of presence of vitamin C, it is going to boost our immune system. Comparable to that immune system boosting, it is going to help our body to maintain the good healthy skin, and this beta carotene which is present in this red bell peppers are going to convert this vitamin C into this carotene into the vitamin A. That vitamin A is going to help our body to keep healthy eyes and the healthy skin. This is a main role played by the red bell peppers as a immune boosting food, and also to maintain the healthy food, healthy skin and also the healthy eyes. The next immune boosting food is the broccoli. Actually, the broccoli is supercharged, means highly rich with the vitamins and the minerals. And what are the vitamins are going to present in this broccoli means A, C and E are more rich in this broccoli, and fibers are also more present in this broccoli, and antioxidants are also more present in this broccoli. Actually, the broccoli is one of the most healthiest vegetable what we have to eat in our daily diet. Because of the antioxidant property in this, it is going to decrease the oxidative stress in our body, and it is going to fight against any infections. Because of the fiber rich, because of the vitamin rich, because of the mineral rich, it is going to provide the more immune in our body, and it is one of the most taken and easily digested food in our body. The next immune boosting food is the garlic. In my previous videos, I already gave the complete detailed benefits about the garlic, why we have to take this garlic in our daily diet. In this one also, I am going to share some of the views that it is going to provide the lots of immunity in our body, and it is also going to fight against any infections which are entered into our body, and it is also going to slow down the hardening of arteries in our body, and it is also helps our body to if in our body the blood pressure is getting lower, or if the any patients are going to suffer with the high blood pressure, it is going to reduce that blood pressure. And the garlic is having the most potential property, that is nothing but the immune boosting property. Because of that only we are going to fight against any infections, because of the compound which is going to present in this garlic, that is the sulfur compound. That is nothing but the allicin is the compound which is going to present in this garlic. It is having the immune boosting properties. Because of that property only we are going to fight against any infections if we take this garlic in our daily diet. The next immune boosting food is the ginger. It is one of the major spice. I also shared this ginger benefits in my previous videos. If you want, you can see in my channel. And what is the main role played by the ginger in our body means it is going to help us to decrease the inflammation in our body, and it is also going to reduce the sore throat and inflammation illness in our body. Ginger is mainly help our body if we are going to suffer with any nausea in our body. Actually, ginger may also decreases the chronic pain, and might also cholesterol lowering properties are going to present in this ginger. It is also having the immune boosting property, so it is very useful for our health if we want to be an healthy person. If we take this ginger in our daily life, then we can get rid from the infection. The next immune boosting food is the spinach. Why I was added this spinach in this immune boosting foods means the spinach is mainly rich with the vitamin C. We all know that vitamin C is going to boost the or activate the white blood cells in our body, means it is going to improve our immune system. Because of that rich in vitamin C property only I was added this spinach in our immune boosting foods. And it is also having the numerous antioxidants and the beta carotenes which are going to increase the infection fighting ability of our immune system. If we have that infection fighting ability in our body, then we can tolerate any type of the infection, then we can fight against any type of the infections which are entered into our body. Similar to the broccoli, spinach is healthiest which is cooked as little as possible that retain its nutrients. If we think that if we cook the some of the foods, it retain its nutrients, means it gone its nutrient, but this spinach is not having that ability. If we cook that if they cook the spinach also, the nutrients are again retain in this only. This is one of the major property having this. And however it is if we cook lightly, it is easy to absorb the vitamin A from this spinach, and it is also having the higher nutrients in it. And after absorbing the vitamin A, it is going to release the oxalic acid and anti-nutrient. Because of releasing the oxalic acid, it is going to fight against any infection in our body, and it is going to improve the vitamin C in our body, and it is going to increase the infection fighting ability in our body. So we have to take the spinach in our regular diet. The next immune boosting food is the yogurt. Actually, this yogurt is rich with the vitamin D. So vitamin D helps us to regulate or to improve the immune system, and and it is also thought to boost our immune's natural defense against the any diseases which are going to affected to our body. And actually, in which manner we have to take this yogurt means we have to take the plain yogurt. We don't choose any flavored yogurt like the sugar, like that. We don't choose the type of the yogurt. We have to take the plain yogurt. If we take that plain yogurt, we can boost the vitamin D in our body, and we can boost the fighting against a natural defense mechanism or natural defense property in our body. So it is very important to take the yogurt in our daily diet to improve our immune system. The next immune boosting foods are the almonds. We all know that the almonds are very helpful to our body. If we get any suffered, if we are weak, many our parents or our relatives will tell that take the almonds daily, then you can improve your health ability. Why it is very important for improving our health means it is having the vitamin E and also having the vitamin C in this. So because of having the vitamin E, it is going to prevent and fighting of the colds in our body. If we are suffering with any cold, then we can fight against that cold because of taking the almonds in our daily diet. It is having the vitamin E and the vitamin C. Because of that ability only, it is going to fight against any cold or like flu like infections in our body. And it is also having rich with the powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants are nothing but I already said that antioxidants are going to decrease the oxidative stress in our body. So it is having the healthy immune system. If the antioxidants are present in that food means it is going to provide the it is going to boost our immune system in our body. And this is also having the fat soluble vitamins. If we take that, if the person is going to suffer with any obesity problems or any fat concern, high cholesterol rich problems, if you take these almonds, because of having the fat soluble vitamin property in these almonds, it is going to solubilize the fats which are present in our body. So it is very important to take the almonds if the person is going to suffer with any fat problems or the obesity problems. And adults only need about 15 milligrams of vitamin E each day. Actually, a half cup serving of the almonds, about 46 whole shelled almonds provide around 100% of the recommended daily amount in their daily diet. That is nothing but we are going to provide the vitamin E in their food for fighting against any infections. So we have to take the almonds in our regular diet. The next immune boosting foods are the sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are actually filled with the nutrients including the phosphorus, magnesium and vitamin B6 and also E. Because of having all these in these sunflower seeds, it is going to boost our immune system in our body very fastly. Actually, the vitamin E is very important for regulating and maintaining the immune system function. Actually, for boosting our immunity, we choose first preference is vitamin C. Or later, the back step of the vitamin C, we have to choose the vitamin E. So the vitamin E is also having the ability to boost the immune function in our body. And the vitamin E is also rich with the other foods like avocados and the leafy green vegetables. So if we want to take the vitamin E, then we can choose the avocados and the leafy green vegetables also. The sunflower seeds are also incredible high in the selenium. Just 1 ounce of the sunflower seeds contain nearly half the selenium that average adults need it daily in their diet. So we have to choose the sunflower seeds in our daily life for boosting our immune system. The next immune boosting foods are the turmeric. We all know that this is a key ingredient in many curries. Whenever we are going to make the curries, then we can definitely add this. The fixed ingredient is the turmeric. Why we are going to add this ingredient, that is nothing but the turmeric in many curries? It means it is having the antibacterial property. Because of that property only we are going to add this turmeric in many curries. It is actually bright yellow color, bitter spicy in characteristic. Why we are going to add this means it is having the anti-inflammatory in treating both the osteoarthritis and also the rheumatoid arthritis. Because not only having the antibacterial property, it is also going to treat the osteoarthritis problems and also the rheumatoid arthritis problem. And it is also going to boost the immune system in our body. It is one of the major immune booster food. So that's why we are going to use this turmeric in our daily life. daily life. If we take this turmeric in our milk also, it is also helps our body to boost the more immune in our body in present situation. So don't neglect to take the turmeric in your daily diet. The next immune boosting foods are the green tea. Not only the green tea, the black tea are also packed with the many antioxidants in it. What are the main antioxidants present in this black tea or green tea means the flavonoids and also the epigallocatechin gallate is the another powerful antioxidant which is present in this green or the black teas. Actually, this epigallocatechin and gallate has having the enhancing. It is also having the ability to enhance the immune function in our body. So if we take the other than the teas what we are going to take in our daily regular life, that is milk adding tea, other than that if we take this green tea or the black tea, it is going to improve our immune system in our body, and it is also having the ability to fight against the germs in our body. So let's take this green tea to our from avoiding the normal tea what we are going to take regularly in our daily diet. The next immune boosting food is the papaya. We all know that the fruit which is other than the citrus, so nothing but other than the lemon, other than the citrus like that fruits, the vitamin C is more rich in this papaya. So vitamin C is a single medium fruit in this papaya. Papaya is also having the digestive enzymes that are nothing but the papain is the enzyme. So that papain is having the anti-inflammatory effects. Because of that effects, it is going to improve the inflammatory properties in our body, and it's also going to digest the food in our regular diet. Papaya is having the decent amounts of the potassium, magnesium and the folate. Because of having that amounts of the potassium, magnesium and the folate, it is going to help our body any beneficial effect or going to improve the immune system in our body. So if we take the papaya in our regular or daily diet, then we can improve the immune boosting ability in our body. Then we can tolerate any infection, if any infection enter into our body, then we can fight against that infection very easily. The next immune boosting fruit is the kiwi. Actually, like papaya, kiwi is also having the naturally filled with the tons of essential nutrients, including the folate, potassium, vitamin K, and also the vitamin C. These are all present in the papaya, right? That's why I said that like papaya, kiwi is also completely filled or filled with the natural essential nutrients. So vitamin C, we all know that it is going to boost the white blood cells to fight against any infection in our body. Kiwi is having the other nutrients, like it is going to boost our body functions properly. What are the nutrients? Other nutrients are going to present in this kiwi are going to boost our body functioning in our body. So if we take the kiwi in our regular or a pattern alternate days, then we can boost our immune system, or we can boost our body functioning regularly. The next immune boosting foods are the poultry products. We all like this poultry products that are nothing but the chicken, like that. If we take the chicken soup in our daily diet or the alternate days, why I am going to say that chicken soup is better means the soup is having the many anti-inflammatory effects. So because of that property, it is going to help our body to lower the inflammation in our body, and it is also going to improve the symptoms of the cold. Actually, the chicken and the turkey is high with the vitamin B6 in this. So about 3 ounces of light turkey or the chicken meat contains nearly 1/3 of our daily recommended about B6. Means if the in our regular life, the vitamin B6 is daily recommended. If we take that vitamin that or nothing but the poultry like chicken or turkey, then this chicken contains more than 1/3 of the daily recommended vitamin B6 in it. The vitamin B6 is an important player in many of the chemical reactions which are going to happen in our body actually. So if the it's also vital to the formation of the new and healthy red blood cells. So the red blood cells that are nothing but the RBC which are going to form formed in our body, or mainly more functioning in our body. So these RBC are going to form only with the help of the presence of the this vitamin B6 in our body only. If you take the boiling chicken bones, boiling chicken like bones like that boiling chicken or the bones contains gelatin, chondroitin and other nutrients which are going to help our good healing and the immune boosting ability in our body. So let's take the not poultry products in your daily life which are rich with the proteins which are going to boost the immune system in our body. The next immune boosting food is the shellfish. Actually, the shellfish are taken by some of the people only, but it is having the immune boosting ability. But this shellfish is also having or packed with the zinc. Actually, the zinc does not get as such much attention many other vitamins and also the minerals. But it is having the some of the needed, or it is going to needed by the some of the immune cells to proper functioning in our body. What are the varieties of shellfishes that are having zinc property in it? Means oysters, crab, lobsters and mussels, or the shellfish which are rich with the zinc actually. So what are the daily recommended amount of the zinc in our diet? Means 11 mg for adult men and also the 8 mg for the adult women. This is the daily taken zinc in our normal daily intake of the zinc in our body. Too much zinc can actually inhibit the immune system function, so we have to take the limited amount of the zinc in our regular diet. So this shellfish is also having the immune boosting ability and also the zinc presenting ability. This zinc is mostly properly proportionally helpful to our immune cells to perform the normal functioning in their regular life. So we don't have to take this zinc in more amount normal than the other more amount. So take it limitedly and boost your immune system. These are the different fruits which are going to boost our immune system in our body. So don't neglect to take these foods. Just improve the immune system in our body. I think this video is going to help you so much. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share and like. Thank you so much.